Everybody, good morning. It's Monday morning. We have 2 more weeks of school left. So we are not going to do any more work that's for a grade. If you have not finished something that's for a grade, you need to do that first today this week. Grades are due, so I'm going to be finishing up entering in grades. So if you need to turn in something that was highlighted in yellow from the other weeks, that needs to come first. If you're done with all of your grades, then this week is just fun stuff. And don't worry about it if you can't do it or if it's, if you don't have time to do it all. It's just for fun. It's extra. We don't need to see any of your work. We don't need to see any of your work from today or this week because it's just fun stuff, okay? So don't worry about it if, you aren't able to finish it all. Okay, let me show you what today's fun stuff is. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to our first or second grade website, and here's Mondays. So Mondays, so this week is like virtual. That means online field trip. So today your at-home field trip is you can watch the beluga whales at the Georgia Aquarium here, and then you can do the sheet that's attached on the other page here, right here, the Georgia Aquarium. You can visit the Louvre in Paris, which is a museum, and there's a sheet for that. You could go to the Cincinnati Zoo and watch the animals. You could take a virtual field trip through the Yellowstone National Park here, or go to the Sequoia National Park in California and research and look at all of those fun places. So this is really a lot of stuff to do. So if you didn't have time to do all of those today, that would be, you could do that all week, really. In the zoo and the aquarium are things that you guys could check in every day if you wanted, or all summer. And you don't have to do this stuff in order this week. So if you wanted to look at the other stuff for later this week and do that today, if that sounds more interesting to you, that's fine. Because all of this week is just for fun. Just a little fun week. Like if we were at school right now, we would probably be having like a fun week. So we wanted to do the same for at home and have some fun activities. So you don't have to go in order this week if you don't want to. I see you guys. Okay. That's all for today, everybody. I hope you guys have a good Monday, good virtual field trip today. I think I'll let Powell choose a few things he wants to do for his virtual field day today too. Do you want to watch some animals at the aquarium on the computer today?
No, but I do want to help my baby sister.
Oh, okay. So he wants to help Azzy today, but I'm going to have him do schoolwork today too. You have to do schoolwork too, right, P? Learn all your letters? All right, guys. Happy Monday. See you guys later.